The Poco M6 4G launch is scheduled for June 11th. While this is a global launch event, an online event, this information comes straight from Poco's Global X account. The M6 4G will be offered in 3 colors, as you can see. Poco M6 4G most similar to that of the Redmi 13 that just got official earlier this month. The camera placement seems identical, but of course Poco has applied its massive branding to the back. Then expected to sport a 6.79-inch LCD touchscreen with 90Hz refresh rate and 550 nit peak brightness. Poco M6 4G is equipped with a dual rear camera system, 108-megapixel primary sensor, 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 13-megapixel selfie camera, and will have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor embedded into the power button. The phone is powered by the Helio G91, which is quite similar to the Helio G88. It should of course run Android 14 with HyperOS on top. Poco M6 4G equipped with a 5030 mAh battery and supports 33W fast wired charging. It will cost $129 with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and $149 with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.